Я Федор Конюхов, мне 67 лет. Я хочу совершить плавание с Новой Зеландии к Фолклендским островам через мыс Горн на весельной лодке «Акрос».
First, it's a challenge for himself as a human being. Can I do that? And second, he likes creating things. Let's build the balloon that will take me around the world. Let's build the boat that I can sail non-stop. Let's build the boat, the rowing boat that I can row in the very harsh conditions. So he likes the technical part, create something that will take him across the ocean or across the skies. And also, can I do this? You know, if I'm strong enough mentally and physically to do that.
Ну, я пока еще не прошел, и такой цели для меня находиться в океане – это уже большое достижение. Ну, я буду скучать, но я долго уже не был в океане, я с океаном скучаю. Там тоже мои друзья, и альбатросы, и киты, и дельфины, и касатки. Там тоже мои друзья.
Yeah, to say farewell and good luck to Fedor and then have him put that hat on me was really cool, and I didn't understand the significance of that hat to Fedor until a little while before, and I'm sure it's the most well-travelled hat in the world, and he's so friendly and kind and yeah, exceptional guy.